This is August 18th. This is an update of my longest pipe challenge. Longest pipe challenge, I kind of call it, although that may not be the final name. But anyway, here's the basic interpreter, or the program editor. I'm going to run it. And first it asks for the size of the playing field, the grid, rows and columns, and I'm just going to put in 5. You can put in practically anything from 4 up to 20 or something. And then it asks you, again with this input box, that I have to improve. Whether you want a random arrangement for the computer to make a random arrangement, or do you want to set up the position yourself? Okay, I'll just do 1 is 1. Again, 1 is random, 2 is manual setup. We got to fix that. Okay, then since I picked random, it says how many obstacles do you want? Well, 99 is surprised me. That means it's going to be random, and I think I go up to like 1/3 of the number. If you get too many obstacles, you get real short pipes. So about 1/3, but I haven't really experimented totally on how many obstacles, stuff like that. But anyway, I'm going to do about 1/3. So, I'll say surprise me. 99. Then it draws the grid 5 by 5. It says please wait. Now tap the start square. And then it puts in 6. It created 6. Okay. And then it's counting now, so I should be drawing. And tap here when done. Here's the message down here in the red. Okay. So I'm trying to make the longest. So I'll go there. There. And I think that's the longest. Tap here when done. I took 18 seconds and I got 9. It has found 9 in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 seconds. The longest it's found is 9. That's probably going to be the longest. Probably be a tie. Anyway, it goes up to 18 seconds, however many seconds I took. And then it shows, and we pick practically the same. Yeah, okay. Then it says tap to continue. Now, do we want to play again? 1 is yes, 2 is no. This obviously needs to be changed also. So I'll say play again. If I say play, if I say no, if I do 2, then it just goes back to the program editor. So I'll play again. Then it asks me, do you want the same setup? Yes or no. And again, this has to be fixed. Same setup. We'll try the same setup this time. Okay, then you go immediately to it, and their clock is ticking, and I kind of already know what the best path is. I'll stop. Okay, and then I'll tap here after 12 seconds, and it is going to find a longer one than I did right away. I didn't find a very long one. I just wanted to show something. People complain that when it beat you, when the computer found a longer pipe, it ought to stop. They don't want to watch the... they just keep making these random pipes. Most of them aren't very far at all. It seldom is going to go beyond, but it might. It might find an even longer pipe, but they don't want to watch that. If they lost, they want to see the result right then. So okay, I did that, and so here we go. You lose. Tap to continue, and you're just back to play again. Okay, this time we'll play again. But this time not the same setup, and then we'd go back to rows and columns, which again has to be some kind of graphic screen rather than this type it in. So let's make it 8. And random obstacles, or you set up. I'll set them up this time. Okay, so there's an 8 by 8 grid. Please wait. Tap the start square. I can tap any square. Now place the obstacles. Tap green letters when done. So I place the obstacles. I hope that's a clear message. And then I'm going to tap the green letters when I'm done. Okay, you may begin drawing. Tap here when done. Okay. Well, I can't go down that way. That would have to be an ending thing. "28 seconds and 38 was the longest I found, and it's already found 18 in 4 seconds, 29 in 6 seconds, 30. I took 28 seconds. It 14. Seconds, and it still only found 31. 24, 25. Oops, it found a 36. 27, 28. I win. So it found a fairly long pipe of 36, and I win 38. Not sure where the improvement was there. Okay, so that's how that works. Tap to continue. Play again. If we say no, that's it. And back to the editor. So I think this program is now working completely correctly as far as what you do see. What I definitely have to improve is the introduction, getting the inputs from the player. And this is just like the early computers when you got an input screen, an input message box. It is graphical. I should have a graphical way of doing that. So that's it. Thanks for watching.